Have you ever uploaded a video that got plenty of impressions, but barely any views? Or maybe people clicked, but left after just a few seconds. Most creators blame the algorithm. But here's the truth. The algorithm isn't working against you. It's simply measuring how viewers behave. And hidden inside YouTube Studio are retention metrics that tell YouTube whether your content deserves to be recommended or forgotten. Today, you'll discover 3 retention metrics that top creators quietly optimize to help their videos reach more people. Once you understand them, you'll never look at your analytics the same way again. Let's dive in. Metric number 1, the first 30 seconds. Hook efficiency. Metric number 1 is the 30-second cliff, also known as your hook efficiency rate. Did viewers stay, or did they leave within the first 30 seconds? Most creators look at the whole graph, but the algorithm judges your video's fate in the first 30 seconds. When YouTube pushes your video to a test audience, it measures how many people survive the first half minute. If your 30-second retention is below 70%, the algorithm assumes your video is clickbait and kills your reach. How do you fix this for a Faceless channel? Stop using long intro animations. In the first 3 seconds, visually prove you are going to deliver on the title's promise. Use a visual pattern interrupt every 5 to 7 seconds in that first half minute. Mix the B-roll, pop-up text, or shift the camera angle. If you can keep 75% of viewers past the 30-second mark, the algorithm will push your video to a much wider audience. Metric number 2, session start retention, or the binge metric. Metric number 2 is the holy grail of YouTube analytics, session start retention. Did your video encourage viewers to keep watching, or did they leave YouTube after it ended? YouTube's ultimate goal isn't to get people to watch your video. It's to keep people on YouTube. If a viewer watches your video and then closes the app, YouTube penalizes you. But if your video causes a viewer to start a binge session and watch 3 more videos, YouTube rewards you massively. To optimize this, you need to master the narrative loop. Never end your video by saying, "in conclusion," or "that's it for today." The moment viewers hear those phrases, many of them click away, hurting your session time. But fixing your audience retention is only half the battle. To learn the exact thumbnail formula I use, click the video on your screen right now. As you say this, point directly to your end screen. Your goal is to make your video the start of a viewing session, not the end. Metric number 3, the loyalty gap, or returning versus new viewer retention. The difference between your new viewer retention and returning viewer retention. Did your viewers come back to watch more of your videos? You can find this in the Audience tab. If your returning viewers have a 50% retention rate, but new viewers only have a 20% retention rate, you have a massive loyalty gap. Why does this matter? Because when the algorithm sees that your core audience loves your content, it uses their viewing habits to find lookalike audiences, people with similar interests who haven't seen you yet. Retention isn't about making longer videos. It's about making viewers forget they're watching time pass. You need to build inside jokes, recurring visual styles, or a unique voiceover cadence that makes new viewers feel like they are joining an exclusive club. Now, let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. The 3 secret retention metrics. Metric number 1, the 30-second cliff. Hook efficiency. Think like, did your viewers stay? Metric number 2, session start retention. Think like, did your viewers keep watching? Metric number 3, the loyalty gap. Think like, did your viewers come back for more? These metrics tell you exactly what your audience enjoys and what they don't. Study them after every upload. Improve one video at a time. Because success on YouTube isn't luck. It's learning from your viewers. I've created a free YouTube retention audit template. It automatically calculates your hook efficiency and loyalty gap. Just click the link in the comment or the description to download it for free. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more creator strategies that help you grow smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.